name Dorota somewhere. Can't recall. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today is yet again another swatch video. Yes, of course, I had also mentioned in my previous videos that more upcoming makeup looks and swatch videos are coming up because for obvious reasons. If you are not aware of it, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen so you guys will know then what I am talking about. So today I will be swatching this Makeup Revolution London the Petra palette. So as you guys will be able to see that there are, I'm just quickly gonna show it to you guys. So there are like so many colors, so it's not feasibly possible for me to fit all the colors in one video itself. So what I'm gonna do is just see that how many colors are there, like so many colors. So in today's video I will be swatching the first part, and in my second video I will be swatching the second part of this particular eyeshadow palette. Let me know what you guys think of this palette, which colors are favorite and everything. So I personally love the palette. It has got yellow, it has got green, it has got blue, purple, nude colors and glitter shades. Oh my god. And one most important thing, now from the packaging I thought that there's only numbers written, but when I went inside I saw that there are names written. So with the names part, it gets so much easier for you to understand, for you to recall, for you to like understand which color is your favorite, and it also becomes easier for me to swatch. So I'm super excited doing the swatch video. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So let's just talk about the color of this particular eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful, it's so cute, I just love the color. Absolutely stunning. It's kind of a lavender kind of a color. So the first color which I see is White Light, which is quite obvious. So I'm not swatching the first white color because it does not make any sense. So quickly let's just begin with today's swatching. I'm gonna like open up the button of this particular thing so that it gets easier for me to swatch, because there are quite a number of colors and the names are really good. Buttoning is done. Struggling with, should I open my watch? It's okay, I think. This much of lace is okay. So first I am starting from this way. So the first one is Upper East Side. If you know what Upper East Side or what Upper East Side was famous for, you would actually relate to me. If you are a fan of a Gossip Girl, we are soulmates. So the first one is Upper East Side. The second one is Don't Kill My Vibe. Creamy and moisturized in texture. The third one is Selfie Queen. I don't think you guys will be able to see the first three shades because it's almost nudish. Then the next one is Brooklyn Bridge. Well, of course, Brooklyn Bridge is so good, damn good. So the first one is Upper East Side. Then the next one is Don't Kill My Vibe. The third one is Selfie Queen. And the next one is Brooklyn Bridge. I think that Brooklyn Bridge is my favorite among all these four. Let me know in the comment section down below. I think Brooklyn Bridge is my favorite. Next we are coming towards Gossip Girl. Okay, so there is something named as Gossip Girl. At Gossip Girl, guys, just look at Gossip Girl. It's so stunning. I think that I will be pulling this off in my next makeup looks or something. I'm just trying to take care, just as Rani Di takes care of things. So the next is Great Love. Okay, Great Love. Looking forward for Great Love in my life. Next is Almost True, which should be true. Next is Influencer. Okay, so Influencer. Then the next is Cat Eye. Cat Eye is almost like a parrot green color. So the first is Great Love. Wow, Great Love is absolutely stunning. Next is Almost True. And the third is Influencer. Influencer is kind of a orangish and yellowish kind of a shade. Then we have Cat Eye. So Cat Eye is, look, I still have pigments on my hands. So I think that I would go with Great Love. I think so that I would go with Great Love. I think so. Please excuse the noise outside, because just excuse the horrible noise outside going on. So coming towards the next, I will be doing it up here. The next is IT Girl. Okay, so I am an IT girl. Then we have Dorota. Heard this name Dorota somewhere. Can't remember. Next we have Central Park. Central Park will be my favorite, I think so. Next we have XOXO. XOXO was also there in Gossip Girl, if you guys will know. Let me know which is your favorite series, like amongst the like English series apart from Korean ones. So we are beginning with, I think we are beginning with IT Girl. So IT Girl, here you go. Then we have Dorota. Then we have Central Park. Then we have XOXO. I think that I would go with IT Girl and XOXO. I think so that I would go with IT Girl and XOXO. Let me know which one is your favorite. I will give a photo also up on the screen so it gets easier for you guys to understand as well. Next we have, I think we have only 4 shades left. So next we have Real Tea. So Real Tea, spill some tea. Next we have Copycat. It's almost like an orangish kind of a shade. Then we have Hangry. I don't know why it's called Hangry. Hangry is such a stunning shade, oh my god. Then we have CEO. I think I'm gonna love CEO more. I think so. Real Tea. Then we have Copycat. Then we have Hangry. And the last, CEO. Oh my god. Look, I still have pigments. Still have pigments. Just look at that. I think my favorite will be CEO, my favorite would be IT Girl and Great Love. These 3 are my absolute favorites. Like, look at this. This one is CEO. Look at this. Absolutely stunning, stunning shades. Let me know which one was your favorite. Absolutely would be eager to know. Let me know. I think this is my favorite, which is CEO. Then we have IT Girl and then we have Greater Love. Absolutely stunning colors. Like, look at all the colors, guys. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and do give this video a big thumbs up if you did like this video. And also comment down below which color was your favorite, which shades was your favorite, and stay tuned for the second part of this particular eyeshadow palette as well, because I will be swatching the second part of it soon. And let me know in the comment section down below if you have any makeup video requests, any eyeshadow look requests. I will try to keep all your requests. Till then, stay safe, and if you haven't participated in the Diwali giveaway yet, it is still open. My 1K giveaway is soon gonna come up on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.